guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to create a beautiful mirror candle jewelry display tray. This came out really beautiful, guys. I love the accent pieces that I added, and I love the feet, which are really doorknobs or door pulls for cabinets. It just came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way it looks. So if this is your first time watching, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate your loyalty and I appreciate your support. So right now, I'm just going to go into showing you how I made this beautiful display tray. So I'm going to be using one mirror from the Dollar Tree. I've already removed it from the frame. Also, I'll be using my diamond adhesive sheet. This is really strong diamond adhesive sheet because you don't need any extra glue when you use it. And I'm going to be cutting some of that down into 2 row strips. This is really beautiful, guys. It's very sparkly. It has a lot of shine. I'll be using some doorknobs, some door pulls, and this smaller crystal doorknob that you see, I'm going to be using that as well. I'll use that on the top of my mirror to create a crystal accent. Also, I'll be using these plackets. These 2 items came together, and so I'm going to use them today. I'll be using one foam board that I've already cut down. That's from the Dollar Tree. Also, I'll be using my tools. I'll be using my hot glue gun. I'll be using my Aleene's The Ultimate Adhesive, which you don't see there. And I'll also be using this silver embossed contact paper. So I'm going to get started. So right now, I'm just going to place the mirror onto the foam board. I'm going to cut it down to size, and then I'm going to hot glue the mirror to the foam board. So right here, I'm just cutting the excess foam board away from the mirror. And after I do that, I'm going to start decorating the tray. So right now guys, that's done, and I'm going to place this tray off to the side and allow it to dry overnight. And as you can see guys, this came out absolutely beautiful. I love all the accent pieces at the top of the mirror. It came out really, really beautiful. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'd be so happy to hear from you. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. So guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.